We have with us Upasana Mahapatra, of course, the youngest MLA in the Odisha Assembly. Upasana, firstly, congratulations. Your party has formed a government. How does it feel?
We are very excited. I think this change did not come about in one day. All the Karyakartas, all the members of Modi Parivar worked very hard. They worked relentlessly and tirelessly day in and day out. And after that, we are able to see the development that we're seeing today.
And for you personally, this has been a hard-fought election, and you've won from Brahmagiri, a constituency earlier represented by your father, whom everyone remembers very fondly. But tell me something, the Prime Minister is here. It's a big moment for the BJP to have formed government and especially to have unseated Mr. Naveen Patnaik, who's such a behemoth in Odisha politics.
Absolutely, I think it's a monumental moment, but I believe it was long impending. We have seen development in cities. We have development. We've seen it. We've seen the face value of it. But then, have you been to the rural areas? Have you been to more remote areas? A lot of development is long impending. I can speak for my constituency, Brahmagiri, which is still very backward. It has not been developed as much as it should have. It has not. The pace of development is not aligned with today's day and age. So there's a lot more work to do. And I believe under double engine Sarkar, under the leadership of a Karyakarta of Modi ji, Odisha will flourish.
And this is the this is the time of the aspirational Odia, and you represent the aspirational Odia population, the young people. You've studied yourself in Mumbai, and you've now come back to serve your people, because I remember years ago you told me that you wanted to be in Brahmagiri and join politics. So this must be, for the generation that is now growing up in Odisha, this must be a big moment to bring about this change.
Absolutely. I think as a Gen Z representative, I am very proud, but also I am very aware of the responsibilities that I have right now. Also, I acknowledge the privilege that I have. My father was a strong leader of the Odisha Congress, and after his death, I've joined the BJP, and I have worked tirelessly as a Bharatiya Janata Party Karyakarta, and hard work has gotten all of us, our organization here, and today we're breathing in a new Odisha, which is a matter of pride for all of us.
Also, I must bring this up. Puri is a very, highly respected seat. It's a prestige seat for any party in Odisha. And your constituency is within the Puri constituency. And Sambit Patra has won from there. Last time he lost narrowly. How does that feel? Because that means you would have contributed to that win also.
It's not such a new thing. It's not a very big thing for me, I would say, because I've seen Sambit Patra so closely. He's worked day in and day out. He's worked tirelessly, and never before have we seen an MP candidate or an MP working so hard on ground. So once you see a man working so hard on ground, you just know it's bound to happen. So we're not very surprised. We were very ready for Sambit Bhai's victory. Although for ourselves, if I were to speak for myself, we had to work really, really hard. We had to take a lot of inspiration from Sambit Bhai and work.
And last question before I let you go. Very interesting. A woman chief minister, deputy chief minister taking oath. That many would say is political calculation, but it also symbolically means a lot.
Absolutely. And if you see our entire cabinet and the chief minister face also, you'll see that this is a victory of the common man of Odisha. He represents our indigenous tribes, he represents the common man of Odisha, and as for Pravati Appa, she represents every woman of Odisha. So I think it is a matter of pride for all of us as Bharatiya Janata Party Karyakartas and Odiyas who fought tirelessly for Odia Asmita.
Upasana, thank you so much for speaking to us. Wishing you a lovely career ahead.